Speed made good. Practice problem 2. You're underway on course 35 degrees true at 12 knots. The current is 340 degrees true at 2 knots. What is your speed made good? Okay, so let's plot our course on here. 35 true. We can do that. Where's 35? It's right here. 35, see 30, 40, right between is 35. Put my pencil on it. Bump that parallel rule up. Make sure I'm in the center. Boom, 35. I'm going to label it just so I don't get confused. I know I'm not doing this correctly, but I'm just teaching you how to solve these problems. At 12 knots, we're going to save that 12 knots and add it to this current. So the current is 340 at 2. Ooh, I like this 2 number. So let's get 340. 340 is here. And we'll draw it to the center. It's a little bit of gum on the side of this that makes it sometimes challenging. Okay, we're lined up with 340, which is our current, and our current is 340 at 2. So this little this dark green outer circle I've learned, at a scale of 2 to 1, that is 2. So we also have our measurement. So 2 knots, right? It's right here at the green. We got that. We don't even have to get it on our dividers. 12 knots is our speed. So we're going to add our speed to the end of that current vector. Boom, 12. We go from the end of the current. You can see it's going to add. It's kind of generally in the same direction as our course. So this is going to add almost 2 knots. So one end of the divider here, one end right here on our course, and then we measure. So move it until it hits the center. Boom. Right there. This is going to be our speed made good. Come over to the scale. 12.5. No. That's confusing, right? Because you got, let me explain this a little bit. 12, 13, 14. So this can be confused at 12.5. And I actually made some of the answers. If you're confused, the answer will be on there. So this is 13 or potentially 13.1. So it's not super exact over here. You kind of have to guess a little bit just based on where you are. So I'm getting just like a tiny bit past 13. So I'm looking for 13, 13.1, something like that. There it is, 13. I'm going to say that's the right answer. So 2 is C, 13. Let's check this. 2 is in fact C, 13. Okay, 3 more of these. Let's keep going.
If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider when getting your captain's license.